how to add Google Drive, search, and suggested files widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on widgets. After that, we then scroll down. Now in here, open up Drive, then scroll down and touch and hold on the suggested files widget and drop it onto your lock screen. And that's it. From there, you can tap anywhere on the home screen to save the changes. Here, if you want to customize the widget, you can touch and hold into that and then tap on settings. So let's say currently signed to your account. So we're going to settings. Look like if I tap on settings, it doesn't really do anything. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.